Today, here we are going to discuss the JSP and Servlet of Internet Programming subject. Here, we are going to identify what is the actual difference between the JSP and Servlet using the code JSP and Servlet. Here, we are going to add two number and that whatever the result is stored in one variable that is called as a k. For that purpose, here we have taken the two variable I and j for input purpose, and the result of that I and j is after the calculations or after the additions of that number, the result is stored in the k variable. Now this concept here we are going to discuss with the servlet, how we write the code for that purpose, that is called as additions of two number. If you want to perform the additions of two number in dynamically using the servlet concept, so here we are going to discuss. Here you find the public class add servlet. What class here we have created? Add servlet, because we are going to adding the two numbers and result will get stored and display the dynamically. Here we require to extend the HTTP servlet. Okay, here we require to create a HTTP servlet or extend a HTTP servlet. Opening brace. Now we know that here we have the service. In that service we have the request and response, so we need to create it using the public void do get is the one methods http servlet request. Here we create the req comma http servlet response. Here again we have created the res, and here we made again through the exceptions using the servlet exceptions. Now opening brace, here we have taken two variable I and j to take a input value from the keyboard. It is a type of integer dot parse int request dot get parameter. When if you place the any value through the keyboard, it must be get and stored in the variable, stored in that variable. Now how it will get? It will get through the req dot get parameter. Okay, where we taken the number. Second value again we require integer dot parse int req dot get parameter and stored in the num, and it is again stored in the j variable. Now we need to perform the additions of the two number dynamically. Now k equals to I plus j. Again here we require to create the out object, because we need to print it. Print writer out equals to res dot get writer. Here we require the print writer out equals to res dot get writer, opening and closing brace close. Now here we need to print the, here we need to color that page. So here we use the out.println html body bg color equals to scan. What here concept here we have html body bg color equals to scan, and we need to print the output. So how we print the output? Out.println. Here you may observe out.println out, and here we need to put the value of k using these expressions. Again we need to close it, html close and body close. So this can be again print with the help of out.println. So this is related to servlet. Okay, now here we need to create again form for the servlet purpose. Again we have the html code, html body form actions add is a name of file, methods get. Here we require the two input from the user side, num1 and num2. Num1 is entered in the first number and num2 is entered in the second number. Now the input type equals to submit. Input type equals to submit is used to create the submit buttons. After submitting the value, suppose if we enter the 5 and 5, it will generate the dynamic page and send the response to the user page. Okay, and display the output. Okay, so what will the output? The output will be the 10. Now how we write the code using the JSP? Same concept. Here we are going to additions of two number, but instead of using the servlet, here we are going to use the JSP. In servlet, what we here we are discuss, when we use the object, here we where we request to create the or we create the something related to that object. Okay, here where we require the declarations of that object, where we use the res and rqs. Here you may find when we use the JSP, the tag is written in the HTML or is in the form of HTML head title. Insert the title here, head section close, body bg color equals to scan, Now here we use the declarations of JSP. In this way, here we declare the JSP int integer pass int request. Here we know that JSP has a 9 implicit object. Okay, among of that, request and response is one of the important object, request and response. So that request is used to assess the number request.get parameter through the num. Again here we require request.get parameter num2 and store the result I and j, and the result is stored in the k. Now here we require to print the output. That output is print with the help of out.println, and output is display. Now here we require to again create the form. Add.jsp is required to assess it. So two number here we require num1 and num2. Again we require to submit the buttons. After submitting this submit button, or after clicking the submit button, we will get the output, that is called as if equal to 5 and 5, what will the output? 10. So this is related to JSP and the servlet. So thank you.